Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download PayPal on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure is that you're connected to either to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi icon will be seen in the status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your mobile status. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings and ensure that your device is at least Android 8.0 or higher. For that, head over to About Phone, scroll down, hit Software Information and check your Android version. This phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head back over to your app drawer and look for Play Store, and then in Play Store, simply look for PayPal in the search bar. That is PayPal, and then you can hit Go or Enter on your keyboard. Hit install right next to PayPal. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account. If not, then Google will prompt you to log into your Google account before you try to download any apps from the Play Store. After PayPal has been downloaded, you can simply open it, log in, add cards, and create payments. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.